Top 5 gaming phones you need in 2024, ultimate power and performance. Alright, gamers and tech enthusiasts, let's talk about leveling up your mobile gaming experience in 2024. Choosing the right gaming phone can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 gaming phones of 2024 that are pushing the boundaries of mobile gaming. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore esports enthusiast, there's a phone on this list that's perfect for you. So buckle up as we break down each phone's performance, design, and overall value. First up, we've got the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This phone is an absolute beast when it comes to performance, packing the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. And with its upgraded Adreno GPU, you can crank up those graphics settings to the max and experience visuals like never before. Samsung knows that gaming generates heat, so they've equipped the S23 Ultra with an advanced vapor chamber cooling system. This ensures that your phone stays cool even during those intense gaming marathons. And let's not forget about the display, a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung has also added some gaming-centric software features to enhance your experience. Now, the S23 Ultra isn't strictly a gaming phone, but it's a true all-rounder that excels in every area, including gaming. If you're looking for a premium flagship experience with top-of-the-line gaming capabilities, the S23 Ultra is a serious contender. Next up is a phone that's unapologetically designed for gamers, the Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro. This phone screams gaming with its aggressive design and customizable RGB lighting. Under the hood, you'll find the powerful Snapdragon Gen 2 processor, specifically optimized for gaming performance. Nubia knows that battery life is crucial for extended gaming sessions, which is why they've packed the Red Magic 8 Pro with a massive 6,000 mAh battery. And when it's time to recharge, the 65-watt fast charging will get you back in the game in no time. But here's what really sets the Red Magic 8 Pro apart: its built-in cooling fan. No more worrying about throttling or performance drops. The Red Magic 8 Pro stays cool under pressure. If you're serious about mobile gaming and want a phone that's designed specifically for that purpose, the Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro is definitely worth checking out. Now let's talk about a phone known for its raw power, the Xiaomi Black Shark 5 Pro. Designed for gamers, it delivers the absolute best. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, it crushes benchmarks. Xiaomi's innovative liquid cooling system keeps it running smoothly. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate is stunning. Plus, magnetic pop-up triggers offer a console-like experience. For a no-compromises gaming phone, consider the Xiaomi Black Shark 5 Pro. Moving on to a phone that's all about innovation and pushing the boundaries of what a gaming phone can be, the Lenovo Legion Duel 2. This phone is packed with unique features that you won't find anywhere else. First off, the Lenovo Legion Duel 2 features a truly innovative design with a pop-up front-facing camera located on the side of the phone. This allows for a truly immersive, full-screen gaming experience without any distractions. And speaking of immersive, the Legion Duel 2 boasts dual front-facing speakers that deliver incredible sound quality, putting you right in the heart of the action. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor and features a dual turbo cooling system that keeps the phone cool even during extended gaming sessions. Lenovo has also partnered with game developers to optimize several popular titles for the Legion Duel 2, ensuring a smooth and seamless gaming experience. If you're looking for a gaming phone that's truly unique and packed with innovative features, the Lenovo Legion Duel 2 is definitely worth checking out. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the Asus ROG Phone 7. This phone is the culmination of years of gaming phone innovation. The ROG Phone 7 is an absolute beast. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. We're talking desktop-level gaming performance. Equipped with an advanced cooling system, it features a vapor chamber and optional aeroactive cooler. The display is a 6.78-inch AMOLED with a 165Hz refresh rate. The iconic air trigger system provides unparalleled control. For the best mobile gaming experience, the ROG Phone 7 is the ultimate choice. So there you have it, the top 5 gaming phones of 2024. From the all-around powerhouse Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to the innovative Lenovo Legion Duel 2, and the undisputed champion Asus ROG Phone 7, there's a phone on this list for every type of mobile gamer. Whether you prioritize raw performance, innovative features, or a combination of both, these phones represent the pinnacle of mobile gaming technology. Now it's your turn to weigh in. Which phone impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tech reviews.